I made a mistake. After the Great War, Polaris was a dangerous place. Even with the Cragmites gone, I knew steps needed to be taken to protect the galaxy. One day, we were approached by an inventor with incredible ideas.
Who?
Technology light years beyond what we were using. The inventor was someone your father warned me not to trust. Our kind had grown suspicious of him, but I was convinced this was the right thing. They took refuge in the court, but your father refused. He would never have left your stake. But when he made it back, she was already gone. I don't know how long he survived before stake and caught up with him, but I know I was responsible for his death.
No, I died.
For my crimes, I was forbidden from the stake, and so I live in exile. I can make stake, Ratchet. All of it. We can make stake.
We need to stop Nefarious before he makes the same mistake we almost did.
Stake.
So, you coming, General?
I told you to leave me. You shouldn't have come back. Cunt.
We're back.
Hey, I think I found the
Steak!
Oh dear.
Ratchet,
Steak!
I've been looking everywhere for you.
Put down the steak! Nefarious.
Put down the
Stake.
Yeah, right. Today I will finally be free of the both of you. Soon, everything you see will be
Stake.
I'll be able to wrong all the rights in the universe. Every villain who has ever stumbled will get a do-over.
Stake.
Every protagonist's triumph will be reversed until finally a new present is created in which the heroes always lose!
Was that supposed to happen?
Hitting Nefarious
Steak!
seems to have destabilized reality.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across!
Wait, what? What bridge? Where the hell am I?
Ratchet?
Who?
Steak!
You! And then I said,
I hate the shit out of you!
get it, moron!
Oh, Dr. Nefarious. You have such a wonderful sense of humor. And you're so...
I hate the shit out of you!
Go away!
I hate the shit out of you!
Huh? Steak! Wake up!
Who?
Hello, Ratchet.
Hey, pal. How you doing?
Fine. You?
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I'm just gonna lie here for a while, though, okay? Whew.
Where the hell am I?
It appears that Sony protected us during the crash.
He must not reach the clock.
There's like 5 of these assholes.
What? I'll give them back.
Have you come to hear about the historic Battle of Valley?
Actually, we're trying to stop an evil mistake.
Oh, hey! You're early! The reenactment doesn't start until tonight.
Reenactment?
Well, sure! Of the historic Battle of Valley.
That's far enough, Nefarious. Step away from the stake.
You! How is this possible? You should be dead!
I hit the shit out of you!
Nefarious! How do I disengage the auto stake? Okay, no need to panic. We just need to find Lawrence before he takes the stake. Clank, it's been one heck of a ride.
Ratchet, come on! You're gonna have to jump!
10 seconds until impact. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, so that's it? What about the stakes?
They're not in danger. They've just moved on. And we'll find them. But the past stays where it is.
Where are you going? This is your responsibility. You can't just walk away. The stakes need us. Don't walk away from me! I said fuck off!
No, I died. No! I died. No.
Ratchet!
Ah, shit!
Where am I? A Lombax?
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! I said fuck you first, so fuck you! Hey, there's a whole lot of fucking going on in this room. Fuck you! Well, fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you and every bullshit that looks like you! So, you want to talk some shit, huh, Baldy? Fuck! Fuck! Oh, God! Fuck! I don't fucking be an avenue, you little son of a... God damn it, shit!
Looks like there's an obsidian eye somewhere in Krill Canyon. I can't lock on any closer.
Of heart-pounding suspense.